Tractor, please come back. I miss you. Steven's changing the song, so I need to change my voice. What? Tractor, 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 tractor. You know what? I think I give too much love to them tractors. I'm gonna sing another song about lawnmowers. Go ahead. Man, tractors are overrated nowadays, you know.
Is this a rap?
They're always getting lost.
I'm not sure what the song is.
Here's a song about lawnmowers. Lawnmower. I'm not really sure what rhymes with lawnmower. You know what? Lawnmowers are gay. Back to tractors. I found my tractor in the barnyard. It was stuck behind all the grass. But I found it. I was like, tractor.